been 46, 46, 44, something in there. Yellowfin center console. Smoking again. Pretty cool boat. Pretty cool graphics anyway. I don't know anything about the boat. Yellowfin 42. That's what it is. Nice. This has got the triple 350s on the back. Suzuki's though. Judith. Narragansett. Cool boat. Got the top there cardboarded off for some reason. Oh, and look, here's a. I don't know what happened here. Some of the graphics were peeled off. You can see on the edge here. Got some paint repairs. Must have bubbled up a bit. And then there's this here on the bottom paint that's peeled off too. What happened? There's some stuff up here. Had leaked under there. Must have been what happened. Bubbled up under the graphics here. I don't know. I just noticed that. It's just plastic. Just plastic. I want it to sit a little bit longer. It's going to start to sag. They're kind of a whack color. Anyways. This is the original color. It's kind of a grayish, right? And the gelcoat, just without any pigment at all, already had like a yellow tint in it, which matched like the crappy part of the hull where there's stains on it and whatnot. Look down here, look all down the bottom. It's all stained up. So I sanded out an area and matched that, which is what you're supposed to do. Get to the gel coat underneath. But the original gel coat in the can, again without any tint at all, was kind of a yellow already. So I added white pigment actually, and thankfully I brought that with me because normally I don't bring that. The gel coat is white, you know. So I added white, which kind of brightened it up a little bit. Still got kind of, you guys probably can't see the transition line. I mean, you can hear, right, on the tape pretty easily. But if you really look into it, you can see that the right side is just a little bit more of a yellow hue, right, than the left side here where it's been painted. So, and that's because this hasn't been sanded.